427 small block Ford, description of this combination. It's got our cylinder head on it. It's got the Edelbrock manifold, all the carburetor, MSD Pro Billet, custom ground hydraulic roller. It's got your front end on it. Your alternator charges for you, blacked out front sump oil pan. Take you in there and show you how to ram. Alrighty, 3,400, 511 foot-pounds. Looks like a peak torque 532, peak horsepower 501. Everything's good. We'll get her off there and get in a crate. Coming away. Have a great day.